I'm making this video because some of you might want to try to compare different IEMs, and it's very hard to do, playing and pausing and synchronizing the music. So I found this very useful website called ViewSync, where you can get, for example, two different or three or four, however many you want. For example, I'll choose these three videos here. My audio is not recording in the app I'm recording right now, but it's very easy to use. You just copy and paste the URL in this website. You paste the three URLs like this. It's very easy to use. And you test the audio. Since dance videos are normally synchronized, they have the same length normally. You don't really have to synchronize anything, and all audios should start at the same point. And then you can, oh yeah, you have to enable this to mute all the videos except one, so you can have clear comparisons between the three videos. And then you just press this and you go to this link that has been generated down here, and now you can just buffer the three videos like it says down here. The videos will pause automatically, and then you can play and seek through this buffer here. There are also options about quality and everything else. And for example, I'll go here to minute 5, play, and now the sound is playing from the top left. And if I want to listen to the top right, I press this button. And if I want to play the bottom left, I press this button here. And all the videos keep playing, but only one is muted. So this is a very useful way to compare different IEMs and test them. I think if you sync one of the videos, all the other ones synchronize. No, I was mistaken by that. Okay, you always have to sync through this bar here. And yeah, it's a very nice way to compare different IEMs. Thanks for watching. I hope this was very useful for you.